and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I am pleased to offer this 2017 Mazda 3 2-litre SKYACTIV-G SE stop-start in white. It has covered just 19,000 miles since new and has had one previous owner. It comes with a full service history and features include air conditioning and Bluetooth connectivity. And as an extra benefit, it is only £30 a year road tax. For more information or to book a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.